What's going on, average entrepreneur family? Welcome to another short video from the #1 average entrepreneur. Let's talk about scams from Instagram, from distributors who reach out to you. Have you ever had a distributor from Instagram reach out to you, but you were a little leery about them granting you services? Well, I'm here to tell you, if you look at these shorts, man, this Instagram distributor came through like no other. The sample, there was just only one mistake on the sample that I'll have and show on a much detailed video, but just look at these shorts, man. The guys did a very good job. The shorts hit where they need to hit. The drawstring even looks nice. You have taskers at the end of the drawstring, and man, just look at the logo. The logo is on the right side of the corner where it should be. Nice print. I don't know about the print, but it should work out fine. All right, guys. So you got to tune in for the next video because this is from my overseas Asian connect. So you know you want to hear about that. They gave me the nice, just above the knee, thigh shorts. They fit a little tight in the crouch, but I think that's how the young people are wearing the shorts now anyway. So should be perfect. They put the logo right where it should be, where it should be placed on the left side of the bottom of the shorts. Man, you guys are going to love this. So make sure you subscribe, like the videos, and definitely check out the next video when I go into detail about these camo shorts I got from my Asian Connect.